Assalamu alaikum. This tutorial is for beginners. How to make front post. First we will chain, make a loop like this and insert the crochet into the loop and keep making chains like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any as many chains as you want, because I'm just making randomly just to teach you how to make front post. So these are just the random chains. So I have to come back and make the uh, double crochet. I'll chain extra 2, 1, 2 and come back, just twist the wool like this and leave the 2 chains like 1, 2, and into the third one you will make double crochet like this, and in the whole chain you will have to make a double crochet in each chain. This is the basic for the post, for the front post. This whole row is like this. Whole row we will make double crochet, until the end we will keep making double crochet. Because without making double crochet you cannot make the post. So if you want to make front post, first you will have to make double crochet. So this is the last chain. Now we have to come back. Now we will make 2 chains, 1 and 2. So turn your work and make a loop and make 1 double crochet here, and then twist the wool like this and make a front post. Now this is called post. See this one, this whole thing called post. We will make front post just like this here. Again the whole row is like this. This is how to make front post. See, it's like this. Before it was like this, double crochet, and now we are making the front post. See, you can see the size now from both. See the difference. Until the end we will keep making like this. So this is the last. This is the last post here, and at the end you will make one chain here like this. See, so this is front post, and from the other side it will look like this. See, there are two designs, one this one and the other this one. This is called front post. I hope you will like my video. Please subscribe me, share me, follow me and like me. Thank you so much. Bye.